Hi everyone, welcome to my channel AmitSarkar.tech. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to search for jobs using Google.com. Now, as you can imagine, it's quite frustrating when you're trying to go and look for a job, especially in today's market where there are so many job sites available, especially because you will have to log into those websites, create a profile, upload your CV, and then start looking for jobs, create notifications, etc. And it can be quite difficult in order to manage all those things, especially in the UK where I currently am based, where you have sites like JobSite, JobServe, Total Jobs, CV Library, Read, Indeed, etc., etc. And also you have the civil servant jobs, and then you have jobs which you can apply directly in companies. So now, how can I use Google to actually apply for jobs for a particular role? So let's find out. So I've just opened my browser and I'm going to type google.com, and here I'm going to search for a job. So let's look at, say, a business analyst. And if you see, I've now got a list of so many options, but let's look at business analyst jobs. And here, this is the postcode where I'm currently based at, and you can see this is a jobs. A section has just come up, apart from all the options where you can apply for jobs for a business analyst on the various job sites. So let me just click here and see what happens. So I just clicked on jobs, and it's currently showing me a new page where it's showing me all the jobs which are related to the role business analyst. So let me just click business analyst and see what happens. So as you can see, I have various sections here. So you have a section where it says jobs. You have a saved section. So suppose you're signed into the browser, you can actually save your jobs and you can create some alerts and notifications. So let's look at the job section. So here, what you can see is we can see the filter already enabled saying all. And that means I can see all the jobs which are related to business analyst. But I want to make sure that I see the relevant jobs close to me, with the right type, say a permanent or a contract, and with a suitable employer. So let's look at the options. So if I click on title, I can see what are the options I can choose. So I say, let me select business analyst, say product owner, and those are all the titles that I want to select. In the location, I want to select London, and in a radius of about 15 miles in London. In the date posted, I want to select the past weeks, because those are the most relevant and most up-to-date jobs. And in the type, I want to select full-time and contractor. In the company type, I'm interested in all. In the employer type, I'm interested in all. So now let's look at what we've got. So we've got the top job for a digital business analyst, Agile Safe London, £400 per day, VQ Limited, and the next one is from TO Lux Europe Limited. Now let's see what it's actually showing us. So it's showing us when it was updated, what is the salary, what is the type. And if I click this, it takes me to this page on the side, a preview page as you normally refer it to as. And here you can apply for this job on CV Library, Total Jobs, or Retail Choice. So let's try to see what happens if I click Retail Choice. So if I click Retail Choice, I can apply. If I click Total Jobs, I can apply for the same role. And the other option is I directly search for this VQ Limited. So suppose I search for this company and I search for careers. So I couldn't find anything. So let me just go here and see what happens. Okay, so this is actually a recruitment consultancy firm that's actually advertising the job in various job sites. So this is one way to quickly look at the job and figure out whether it's a genuine company, whether it's available on different job sites, etc. Let's look at some other jobs. So here it says career wise UK Limited digital business analyst. So I've clicked here and I say apply in CW jobs. But I want to say what career wise is. So let's check what career wise is. And career wise is again a recruitment consultancy. So I'm not interested in that job. Let me go for a company that's actually not a recruitment consultancy. So this looks like a genuine job. University College London, senior business analyst. And here I can see so many options. And if I Okay, so if I click this one, in the bottom it says apply in the career.net. So suppose I go here, University College London, and then I click on careers. So I get here, then I open it in a new tab, and then I search for opportunities, work opportunities. Okay, so jobs, search for jobs at UCL. Okay, search for jobs, search for permanent and fixed term jobs. It's taking me to a new website. So job type any, search, and the role was senior business analyst. So let's go to the alphabet S R S, senior business analyst. So here you can see that I've actually found the job on the UCL website, senior business analyst, and then I can apply for this job. Now the thing what I've done is, instead of applying for this job through Reed, Jobs AC, RecruitNet, or Career Wallet, the advantage of applying directly is that you get your application without any recruitment consultancy. So you don't have, so there is no third party in between. There is no agent in between, and that means that your application directly reaches the recruiter. So in this case, if I apply for this job, senior business analyst, it will directly go to the UCL HR department, and they will get the alert. And this is the best way to make sure that you are reachable, and you apply for a job to any organization. And this is one way to quickly apply for a job at UCL. Now you have many other companies and many other options, and sometimes Google actually gives you an option to apply directly on the company's website apart from the different job sites. So let's look at apply on Barclays Careers, and it takes us to the Barclays website, and I can see the job for a business analyst and I can apply for it directly. Again, in this situation, it's always better to apply directly rather than going through an agent. In some cases, networking helps, and if you already know someone in the organization, it always helps. But I think this is a good way to apply for jobs quickly using google.com. So please let me know if this video was helpful, and please subscribe to my channel to find new possibilities and new scenarios. Bye.